Welcome to SG1 Vlogs. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Rice spring roll recipe is healthy and gluten-free. It is easy to make and carry with you anywhere as a lunch or snack with any cooked base in it. You can make these spring rolls with vegetables, legumes, meat, shrimp, peanut butter or any kind of cooked rice variety. You can make these spring rolls with leftover food as a base to fill in. The ingredients for this recipe are grated carrot and peas sauteed with red chili powder and salt, cooked ground turkey gravy, rice spring roll sheets or papers and warm water. These rice spring roll sheets are available in any Asian stores and are inexpensive. Boil water in a pan and pour it in any flat container. Take a rice spring roll sheet and keep immersed in the water until it becomes softer. This may take less than 30 seconds. When the roll sheet becomes soft, take it out and lay it on a dry plate or a flat surface. Fill in the cooked base and start rolling up. Pick the sides of the rolling sheet and fold them in over the filling or envelop the sides. Close the two edges towards you and pull it snugly over the filling. Keep rolling all the way like a packet. They are ready to eat. Next, I am using leftover cooked ground turkey gravy as a filling. I have been packing these spring rolls for my son's lunch box as it is easy to eat without spilling and getting messy. Spring roll sheets stay fresh for a year or more. It tastes delicious and stays for 2 days if stored in refrigerator. Keep the spring roll packets individually to avoid sticking to each other. They are tightly packed and do not leak. Make this recipe and enjoy. I am making rice crisps using just rice spring roll sheets and some oil to fry. This can be a party recipe and needs no prior preparation and is effortless. Cut the rice spring roll sheets into quarters. Heat oil in a pan. When the oil gets hot, fry the spring roll sheet pieces and remove when they are crisp. It takes only few seconds to cook these delicious crisps. And they melt in the mouth when you eat. You can use any seasoning on these crisps. Here I used red chili powder and very little salt as seasoning. The gluten-free crisps are ready to eat. You can eat these crisps as a snack or as a side dish. Thank you for subscribing. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed before. Press the notification bell to receive new video notifications. Thank you friends for watching our videos.